And amid this entire controversy, we are getting a reaction from Mirwais Umar Farooq himself. He has said the agitation can't be limited to statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. He is now demanding release of political prisoners as well. He has said that statehood alone is not enough. Restore Article 370 and 35A as well. Let's go across to my colleague Ankit, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Ankit, give us more details. First reaction there coming in from Mirwais Umar Farooq, who has now said that restoration of statehood for Jammu and Kashmir is not the only issue that one must focus on.
Yes, absolutely. Mirwais Umar Farooq has clearly said that he has got the invitation from the National Conference President, Mr. Farooq Abdullah, and he has clearly said that the National Conference is going to stage a protest regarding the restoration of statehood in the Jantar Mantar on the first day of the monsoon session. He has said not only the statehood, restoration of statehood is the issue in Jammu and Kashmir, but they should go beyond. There should be a restoration of the Article 370 and 35A. He has also demanded for the release of the political prisoners. This is the first reaction by the Mirwais Umar Farooq after the controversy has been interrupted in Jammu and Kashmir regarding the invitation which has been given by the Jammu and Kashmir National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah to the Mirwais Umar Farooq. National Conference has clearly said that they are going for a protest at Jantar Mantar on the first day of the monsoon session regarding the statehood, restoration of statehood. But yes, this is the first reaction which has came out from the Mirwais itself. He has stated that not only the restoration of statehood, but there should be a demand of Article 370 and the 35A. What we are also learning is that BJP has given a strong statement regarding this. BJP Jammu and Kashmir wing was also invited for the protest in Jantar Mantar, but they have clearly said that they are not going to participate in this in this type of protest. And what is the fun?
Thank you very much, Ankit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. We'll come